How to draw a structure of diamond. In this video, we will learn how to draw the structure of diamond. The first step is to draw this structure here. 5 carbon atoms, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 in a tetrahedral arrangement. The second is adding one more carbon here, one here, and one here. So 3 carbon atoms in total. The third step is adding another 3 carbon atoms. You add one in the middle and it's covalently bonded to the carbon atoms at the far right and the left side, and add 2 carbon atoms below to get this structure. Finally, add 3 more carbon atoms shown in red and you have the structure of a diamond. So we start with these 5 carbon atoms in a tetrahedral shape, and then we add 3 more carbon atoms, don't forget the covalent bonds, and add another 3 carbon atoms, notice the covalent bonds, and the final 3 carbon atoms. This is the structure of diamond.